In this short tutorial, I'm going to show you how to fix there was a problem with your request problem on Instagram app. So all what you want to do to fix this problem is open the settings, go to the wireless and networks, go to the airplane mode, enable it and then disable it, go back, open the apps manager. When you open the apps on this page, you will find all the apps that you have on your phone. Search for Instagram and click on it like this, and now you have to click on this force stop right here. Go to the storage down here, or the internal storage, click on clear data, click delete. This includes all files, settings, accounts, databases. Anyway, you have to click delete to fix it, and then open the data usage option and make sure everything here is enabled. And now the last thing you want to do is restart your phone and reopen Instagram. Don't forget to like, subscribe.